Alright, y'all know this is all for fun. Don't ever do nothing I do. Cause you know, this is what it's all about right here. We're gonna gonna mess around here. This is a dumb video because we're doing a dumb thing here. But make sure you check, and sometimes they put things behind these doors that you probably don't need to be putting heat on like this. But here we go. We're gonna get these off. It's about the easiest way to do it right here. You can try it a different way if you want. You can try to spray that spray on there to try to melt the adhesive. Good luck with that. That ain't gonna work. Somebody tried it. They got started on it, but didn't get very far. Let's see what we can do to it though, huh? Come on, huh? I mean, it ain't rocket science. But you'd be surprised. You'd be surprised, I guarantee. I guarantee you will. Come on with it. Come on with it. Oh, make sure there ain't nothing on your rag now. But don't try this. Okay? Don't try this. If it was a smooth surface, we done been done. But being our surface ain't that smooth, we just playing around here. Come on with it. You see it. You see it. This is in Tennessee. We're looking for the good Lord with me. Carrying your love with me. With my feet and holding on. With a sidewalk ends, the road begins. We say goodbye. And oh, hard night, I'm afraid to go. You bet I'm not. With a sidewalk ends. You left right. Dun, 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 dun. Where the sidewalk ends and the road begins, you say goodbye. Oh Lord, night, I'm afraid to go. You bet I'm not. Where the sidewalk ends, you left the light. Where the sidewalk ends, the road begins, say goodbye. Oh Lord, night, where to go? You bet I'm not. Sidewalk in, you left the light. You know, it don't take much to do this. I don't know. You know what I'm saying? So basically let that cool down a little bit, because I need to right here with it. But see what we're gonna do now. I think it's cool enough. This is a 70% of that isopropyl alcohol in this, and this is probably a rag probably got something on it. So we're just gonna kind of get the big stuff off here with it. Okay, we're gonna get some paper towel. Okay, we'll get some paper towel in a minute, and it'll get these rags on get all the way clean. They got stuff on them. You know what I'm saying? I still see it right there. They got stuff in them. You know? Okay. There we are. Okay. You know what? I'll be right back. I need to give me a paper towel so I can get that residue off. See what I'm doing. I don't know. Something. here I am. Oh, I'm back. Oh, that's a trip. Oh, I'm back, you know. You never know what you're going to run into. Come on. All right, now, watch. So, these rags, they got stuff in them. They really do. You know, we cleaned this a couple of times. Look at that rag. They got stuff in them. Come on with it. Huh? Come on with it. You got better alcohol. No that alcohol. Yeah. You get it right. This is what we do. Oh, I can almost see myself. Check it out. We got it cleaned up. We're just no bubble. You know what I'm saying? Okay, now look here. I can't see very good, so I'm gonna need some help. You know what I'm saying? I need some help right here. Oh, this picked up. Maybe I should heat this and put it on. Look, best thing I got going for me is the diamond part of it. Okay, that's the best thing I got going. If the paper's cut crooked, so you know it's cut out crooked. But I tell you what, we're gonna be in there, all right. It's gonna be fine. And vinyl's hard to lay down on diamond plate because it's pretty much got to be. You end up taking it off after you put it on there and doing the stickers actually by hand because this cardboard ain't gonna bend. You follow me? And I'm sure you got a better way of doing it. You do it your way though. I won't do it my way. Come on. You do it your way. I won't do it my way. And we'll just go from there, okay? You got your way, I got mine. We're gonna be all right. So after, all I'm doing is getting the letters just stuck on. They're not gonna be on there. They're just gonna be there because of the texture of the thing. You know what I'm saying? Then we'll put them on there. Because you got to put them on one at a time. You know? So what I'm saying is, one of them at a time. Okay, watch what we're going to do. Watch this. Watch how. Watch how we're going to do this in a minute. Now. Watch this. You gotta do it one at a time. Then we'll come back with our, see, it's up. I don't know if you see it or not. It's actually up off of the material. So push it from the top and down on the back. Okay? Push down. Alright? See, it's up off of it. That's fine. It'll go on there. And then they're going to come off. And we're going to be stuck in a minute. You watch what we're going to do. You watch what we're going to do. We got 2 or 3 letters now. We got the E up here. Work from the high side down. I do. You probably got a better way. Now this D, he's kind of a little different. So, high side down, got him over. Just like that. We go U, high side down, get him in there. And we're gonna make all this relax in a minute. Okay, look at there. Come on with it. Huh? Come on with it. Uh-oh, we gotta go back. I gotta let it in come off. There, get on there. There we go. There we go. There we go. Y'all should have told me that letter wasn't on there. could have said something. I told you I couldn't see. You know? I told you I couldn't see. And you gonna let me miss that letter. Why? You realize this video here is gonna be almost as long. We put these letters on here, and it is for me to drive home. It's funny, I ain't that far away. Here's another one. Come on with it. What we got here? Look, he's up here on top. That's good. Fold him over. All right. This is okay. Fold him over. Watch, I'm gonna show you how to make them stick in a minute. Look at there. Okay. All right, now let me go back over it one more time. At least y'all could have told me I had a letter there or something, you know. You wouldn't want to tell me. I understand. It did something. Where the sidewalk ends, the road begins. Say goodbye. I'm working hard night, I'm afraid to go. You better I'm not. The sidewalk ends. You better like. Okay. I don't sing. I don't sing myself. You know what I'm saying? It's all fun. Yeah, it's all fun. I hope there's a fire extinguisher behind this door. Hope they didn't move it to the other side. But I didn't even look. I'm just replacing the one that was on here. Okay. Look. This is going to activate our adhesive. And it actually will shrink it some. Okay. Boom, boom, boom. Again. Say goodbye. Okay. Look at there. It's softer. And it's just folding to it. Molding itself around. Begins. Oh, begins. Say goodbye. I recommend stencil and paint it myself, but this has got that, you have to do a little bit more work for it to stick. It ain't gonna stick to this. You do a little more work, clean it with some BS, go through a lot of different channels, get approved, you know. Okay. Let's make sure one's in there. Oh, he's in there. It looks good. I think, oh, that's a, I think it's March 21. I think, April 21, I think it's good to them. But anyway, we did it. Let's find something else to get into. How about it? We're going to find something to do. We might do some welding, something. We'll find out. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed the entertainment. That's all this is all about. Come on. We'll see y'all.